Ladies and gentlemen, happy Ramadan. We are going to talk today about the effect of fasting on the immune system. Actually, fasting is something which is dictated by God to improve both physical and psychological aspect of the human being. Because God created us and He wants us to continue till the end of our life on the earth, so He provides us with the most or the strongest immune system to protect us from different organisms and diseases around us on the earth. In fact, He provides this strong immune system provided that we prevail or maintain the maintenance for this immune system, which is faith. Faith is one of the strongest weapons of the immune system. How could this be done? Actually, faith gives us insurance, gives us a sense of safety, gives us the finding of some of the spiritual things which we lack to in this materialism. So when we faith in God, when we become so faithful, we have some endorphins. Endorphins is some of the opiates which our brain secretes, and it affects our behavior. This endorphins and serotonins keeps the behavior of ourselves in a good condition, in a normal condition. We don't have psychic problems, we don't have psychological problems. So this is something which we need to maintain the psychological and the health of our psychic element. Actually, we find in the last few years that endorphins are also produced by the immune system. And this is actually makes sense, because when God wants to protect us from the surroundings physically through the immune system, He wants us also to be protected psychologically through protecting our psychological aspect through this endorphins, which keeps the body or the health in a healthy psychological effect. In fact, praying is one of the things which give us a sense of faith, and reciting Quran also. In an experimental maneuvers which has been done in Florida, they did something which is very interesting. They recite Quran for people who doesn't speak the Arabic language, and they recorded the responses from the muscles, which is actually related to some instruments which can record the vibrations or the relaxations of the skeletal muscles, and this could give us a hint about the relaxation of the human being or the stress. They found actually that reciting Quran is something which helps to relax all our cells and improve our immune cells through taking some of the cells, some of the lab tests, which denotes the state of the immune system itself. So reciting Quran, fasting, decreasing the amount of food itself is one of the most important things which give us health. How this could be done? It's simple. Food is the fuel of our cells. So when we give food, we give energy to these cells. But there are some of the waste products which are produced through burning these fuel, and these waste products are very harmful to our nucleus, to the DNA of the nucleus itself. So it has to be get rid of. How could this be get rid of? Through what we call antioxidants, which are the vegetables, the fruits, the vitamins, which include antioxidants like vitamin A, like vitamin C, like vitamin E, like zinc. And those actually improves, well, the immune system of the body. The more we eat, the more we have these waste products. So the more we give harm to the cells. And this has been found the etiology of most of the diseases of the different systems of the body, like the heart diseases, like hypertension, even in cancer. They found that these waste products, which we call free radicals, it's like free oxygen atoms. It should be in a molecule, but it's just single atom of oxygen, which becomes hungry to attack anything on the DNA of the cell. So they found that this free radicals, these waste products, which has been gathered through eating too much, are the most harmful factor which causes different diseases and cause different manifestations which affect our health and our immune system. So we find actually that fasting is based upon two main factors: withholding or controlling our diet and food. The other thing which is as important as the first factor is the controlling our stress, controlling our bad behaviors. There is a common word or hadith by Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam called the person who never leaves bad things and who doesn't say fairness. We don't want his fasting, or God will not be useful by his abstinence of food and drink. So the fasting learns us how to control our stress. And this is one of the most important trends right now in abroad, in which we find in some of the universities programs which is aiming to control the stress through different programs like biofeedback, like meditation, like something like yoga. These are something which are held to control the stress, through which we can control by fasting itself. So we don't want to withhold or abstinence of food and drink only. We want to control our stress. We want to give our spiritual aspect a boost, and we want also to feel comfortable with ourselves and with each other, in order to reduce the stress, which is the main factor of different diseases, because we don't die from stress, but we die from immature coping with stress. And this is a very important thing which fasting teach us in Ramadan.